I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at unboxing my weBoost Home Complete home or building cell phone booster. weBoost sent this to me to check out, so thank you for that. This is basically almost like a little cell phone tower for your house. And people use it in places where maybe they're rural, they're remote, or for some other reason they're not getting good enough cellular reception in their home. And that can be a major concern if you're trying to work remotely or if you're trying to reach out and be able to just more easily contact people. And the idea here is that there's an antenna that you mount on the outside of your house and then an antenna you mount on the inside. And the outside antenna relays the signal from your cell phone to the nearest cell phone tower from your carrier. And it works with all US carriers. So let's go ahead and open this up. Basically, you're boosting your own reception with your kind of almost like a personal cell phone tower. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. We've got a bunch of installation manuals here. Okay, so we have this large reel of cable, really substantial, really thick cable here. So this looks to be coaxial cable, and the idea here, I believe, is that one of these will run from the inside out to the outside antenna. And you have to have a certain amount of separation between the two antennas in order for them to work properly. So I think we're seeing quite a lot of quite thick cable here in order to make that connection between the two. Okay, next we got this box. All right, we've got one of our antennas here. It looks like some cabling and other associated pieces. Yep, power, cabling, wall mounting. Looks like a 3M strip here to connect that to the wall. Power supply. All right, let's grab the next box in here. All right, this looks to be another one of our antennas. I'm assuming, I have to look at the manuals, but I'm guessing that this is going to be our indoor antenna, given that it has this kind of mesh covering that looks a little bit more kind of decorative, but I'm not sure until I actually get a chance to look through the documentation. Definitely another one of our antennas. And then here's the last piece in that box. This must be the outdoor one, because this is looking pretty directional and waterproof. Yeah, this looks like the outside. Okay, so looking at the manual, we've got a great sense in here of how this works. So basically, this is the outside antenna. It's going to be mounted on the outside of your house. Then there's going to be one coaxial cable going to this booster. And this does the actual work of boosting the signal and relaying. And then finally, another coaxial cable going to your indoor antenna. You can see that documented in the manual here. So that's the weBoost Home Complete. It's supposed to be super powerful. And I look forward to setting this up and walking through how to actually use it.